the American Falls, which is composed of soft shale and limestone. Though the height of the American Falls is higher than the Canadian counterpart, no daredevil ever preferred to go over the American Falls. All stunts were performed from the Canadian Horseshoe Falls, which is more popular with its immense water flow rate and shape. The height of the American Falls stands at 180 feet, or 56 meters high. Its crest is 75,000 meters, or 8,800 meters per second. And a recent notable waterfall. In 1954, a large section of the water near the end of the Next is Bridalveil Falls, the smallest of the three waterfalls. It is located on the American side, just to the right of the American Falls, separated by Luna Island. Oak Island is much larger and separates the American and Bridalveil Falls from the Canadian Horseshoe Falls. The height of Bridalveil Falls is 181 feet or 55 meters and remains the smallest waterfall.